Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your app is up to date. An old build may hide theme controls. Once done, open Viber and land on the chat screen so settings appear where expected. Make sure notifications won't interrupt you while changing appearance. Now tap more 3 horizontal lines or more tab to reach settings quickly. This first action exposes themes and display controls. You're initiating the change early because it streamlines the next steps and prevents wasted navigation. You now navigate into settings, then appearance or display. This is where Viber stores theme controls. If you see a dark mode toggle, turn it on. This flips background, chat bubbles, and system bars to darker tones for eye comfort. If there are multiple dark themes, preview each by tapping thumbnails to check contrast and readability. Make sure to select System Default only if you want Viber to follow your phone's theme automatically. Otherwise, lock it to dark for consistent behavior. Finish by confirming the dark appearance across chats and menus. Sometimes UI elements need a quick app restart to render correctly. If a specific conversation still shows a light background, open that chat settings and remove any custom wallpaper that overrides the global theme. If the dark mode still fails, clear cache or reinstall Viber after backing up messages. Doing so resolves corrupt theme files. One key troubleshooting tip: toggle System Default off and on to force a theme refresh before reinstalling.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.